BodyBreak.
BodyBreak with Hal Johnson and Joanne McLeod.
Oh yeah. BodyBreak. BodyBreak.
You can enjoy a high-fiber, low-fat barbecue, and so will your guests. We have low-fat potato salad, coleslaw, and Joanne's cooking some high-fiber burgers on the barbecue.
These burgers will provide you with additional fiber, and whenever you eat foods that contain fiber, they improve your digestive system and reduce your risk for certain cancers. So here's the recipe for these high-fiber burgers. 1 pound of extra lean beef. This will lower the fat content in your burgers. 1 egg white. Removing the yolk will also reduce the amount of fat. 1/2 cup of chopped onions. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 2 teaspoons of crushed red peppers. 1/2 cup of salsa, medium, mild, or hot. And 1 cup of bran cereal. It's the cereal that provides you additional fiber and additional flavor. Mix the ingredients well, shape into hamburger patties, and remember to wash up thoroughly and cook the burgers well.
Well, until next time,
Keep fit and have fun.
you guys, that's my line.